Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are once again creating, I can't believe, another incredible CAD drawing of an I-beam section. This section is again using variables. You'll see our dimensions are all multiples multiples of the variable we've created over here called thickness. We'll go ahead and demo how to create this using the line tool and variables. Starting from the origin, I'm going to go ahead and draw the outline of my shape. Paying attention to apply all the standard constraints for a rectangular object like this. My vertical lines, my horizontal lines, vertical, line that up horizontally, vertical. And here we have vertical and horizontal lines. And there we go. And make sure that lines up with the origin. And close. So now we have a closed entity, and let's see how it performs when we start dragging it a bit. And okay, grab other corners. Okay, so everything appears to have the correct constraints on it. But right now we've got some things to consider. So we're only given the overall width. So let's go ahead and throw that on there, which is our variable thickness. So hashtag. There's our variables. Now, if you hadn't already created the variable, you just create a new variable right now, but hashtag symbol or the pound sign or number sign symbol, shift to number 3, will bring up your variable list in the new variable button if you need to create a new variable. We're going to use thickness. Oops, I said thickness, but that's not what the instructions tell us. The instructions tell us, oops. The instructions tell us that it's thickness times 4. So change that again. 4 star thickness. So it's 4 times. And remember, the asterisk key is the multiplication key in Onshape. So 4 asterisk shift to number 8. Or if you got a numeric keyboard, it's above the 9 on the numeric pad. That's your multiplication factor. So we've got the thickness, we've got the width here, we've got the thickness there. So let's dimension that. Now, if I've already set up remember we said a few moments ago, you can use the hashtag symbol, or the number key symbol to find your variable list, your full variable list. But if you know the name of the variable, you can just start typing it, and then hit the enter key twice, and that'll bring it in. Okay, and this shows me 1 times the thickness, show right there. And then 5 tall, so from here to here. So 5 times the thickness. All right. So I've used all of my variables that are provided, all the dimensions provided. Now I've got to figure out what the heck do I need to do to get this to look like the other one. Well, right now, if I just kind of push this to its extremes, you can quickly figure out what is not constrained and what's different about this one. So in the example here on the left, the top and the bottom are the same height. They're equal to each other. So I'm going to take the equal constraint. There's a button right there, and E is shortcut on the keyboard, and make the length of this line and the length of that line equal to balance that out. Then, when I look at this, I see that obviously the midbar is not left to right, correct? So what can I do there? Well, if it's in the middle, that means that this side and this side are equal to each other. So again, we'll just pull out that equal constraint, make those equal to each other, and you see everything is now fully constrained. All my lines turn black. And that's it all. That's everything. So that's all, folks. Have fun. Create cool stuff. And as always, keep being awesome.